Let me know the traits and the personality characteristics and things that you would want to come across in a name, right? And whenever someone speaks that name, whether it's your name or the name of your child, they're going to be invoking the power of that name and letting loose any blessings associated with that name. That is a very integral part of Igbo culture. That's why we give our children these special names, because we believe that every time we are speaking that child's name, that is God's presence or any type of good traits being spoken into their lives. So that is the way that we continually ensure the success, happiness, and prosperity of our people. And that's also the reason why I would like to share that with anyone who's interested. All right, so if you liked watching this video, hit that like button. If you didn't like watching the video, just tap it really lightly instead. So share this video with anyone who might be interested. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel.